Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a Mercedes-based HYMER FREE 600 campus campervan. I'm going to show it to you now relatively quickly in 3 minutes or less. And so let's go in and have a look at it. This is 593 centimeters long. It's a bit dark in here. Let's turn the lights on. Lights up here. The lights are now on. Mercedes Sprinter, which means it's quite a difficult vehicle to actually build upon. So we'll see how well they've actually done. Up here we've got a tent in the roof. You can see there what the tent actually looks like. Notice how it's really light inside. Here, kitchen block, we've got 2 gas burners plus the sink, and under it we've got storage. We've got in the door, there's also a mosquito net. Now coming around here to the washroom, we have this absolutely brilliant washroom, and this is where you can see how well something has been built in a camper van of this nature. So there's me inside. We've got this up here, the bar, so you can wash your socks and things like that. Bench toilet from Thetford, and it's a fixed sink in here. Note that I've got my shoes on and I didn't take the duckboard up. Here we've got storage, also storage up here, and here we've got a fridge, we've got a big bed, we've got windows in the doors at the back, and we've got a window on that side as well, in the flare storage either side of the bed. So coming out, you can sleep 4 in here, but in my opinion that's probably pushing it a bit. So you can see flare on this side, but no, obviously the flare on the other side is bigger because there's a door on the passenger side. If I open this up here, you see we've got the bed, which will move. You go on side if you want to. You can take that up. Over here, this side in here, we've got space for 2 gas cylinders. And coming around, there's the flare. Look how big it is. And so I did that video in under 3 minutes. Thanks very much for watching. There are links below. Bye for now.